toss and catch game set. Let's open it!
So it comes with 4 waterproof paddles. It comes also with 4 softballs and a storage bag. This promotes hand and eye coordination, improves physical fitness, enhances gross motor skills, improves child reaction time, and also builds stronger relationship with whoever is playing with this game. So you will need at least 2 players. 4 is the max. Let's unbox.
We opened it. Coffee.
Okay, and there are the softballs.
No, 4.
Yep, 4.
And the hand pads. Oh!
And those are the paddles, waterproof paddles. Okay, so on each softballs, you will get a Velcro, 1 on the red and 1 on the blue. Then once you toss the ball, they can catch it and it'll stick. And here is the storage bags. Well, the storage bag. Y'all ready to play?
Yes! Sissy, are you ready? Yes! Let's play.
Okay. TT need a paddle and you need a paddle. Okay? Y'all gonna throw the ball to each other and y'all gonna catch it with the paddle, okay?
Okay, got 2 paddles. I just need 1 more.
So that bag is good for traveling. Here, Kojo.
Got it! Doubles. Got it?
Okay, throw it to Kojo.
Wait. Ready? Here it comes.
Catch, Kojo.
Catch. Here it comes. Oh, you got it! Sorry. Ready? Here it goes. Whoa, you got it! What? Mine's coming. Oh. Mine. Oh.
That was good. And also, this is adjustable, the paddle, so you can adjust it to your hands.